For this experiment, you'll need 1.5 molar citric acid, 1 molar hydrochloric acid, some sodium hydrogen carbonate, also known as baking soda, some magnesium ribbon, a pair of graduated cylinders, a weighing boat, a styrofoam coffee cup, a large beaker, a computer that runs Logger Pro, a LabQuest Lab Pro interface, a temperature probe, and a balance. Plug the Lab Pro interface into the power supply. Plug the USB connection from the interface to the USB on your laptop and plug the temperature probe into channel 1 on the interface. Go to Logger Pro on your computer, and when it opens, go to File, Open, and then select Chemistry with Vernier and experiment number 1, Endo Exothermic. This should show you that the temperature probe is reading room temperature. Now, take your styrofoam coffee cup, put it into a large beaker. Take 30 milliliters of citric acid. Pour the citric acid into the styrofoam cup, and then put the temperature probe into that solution of acid and allow it a minute to read what the room temperature of that solution is. Take a weighing boat and put it on the balance. Zero that balance by pressing the tare button. Now weigh out approximately 10 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. You can choose to use a spatula, or you can just carefully measure from the jar. If it's a little under or a little over, it will not matter. Go to Logger Pro and press Collect. Allow the temperature to collect a certain number of data points before progressing. Now, I'm going to add the baking soda that I've just measured out. I adjusted this one so that it's close to being 10 grams. I'm going to take that powder and deposit it all in one go into the acid with a little stirring. You can see that this reaction is losing temperature. And I will continue to stir until that temperature flattens out. After a few minutes, this is what your data looks like. If I select this icon, it will auto scale the graph for me. And then if I pick statistics, it will let me know what the maximum and minimum temperatures in this experiment were. I'm going to record those as my initial and final temperature, because this experiment started at a warmer temperature than it finished with. My initial temperature is the higher temperature. I'm going to repeat this experiment now with magnesium and hydrochloric acid. It's exactly the same procedure. The results will be different.